Hello children, welcome to our class. For class 3 in chapter 7, today we will learn about writing and math in KTurtle. So far you have used the turtle to draw figures on the canvas. In this chapter you will learn about the commands used to write on the canvas. You will also learn how to solve math sums in KTurtle. Before we write any text or numbers on the canvas, let us learn how to set the font size in KTurtle. Before that, now we are going to see what are the topics to be covered under this title. First one, font size command. Next, print command, go command, sprite hide and sprite show command, math in KTurtle. Now we are going to see font size command. The font size command sets the size of the font that is used by the turtle to write text or number on the canvas. It takes one input which should be a number. Okay. The size of the font is set in units. For example, see the example, font size 30 sets the size of the font to 30 units. Okay. So the text or number appear on the canvas will be 30 units. Next, we are going to see print command. The print command is used by the turtle to write text or numbers on the canvas. Let us see the example for the print command. First, we are going to set font size as 60 and print 85. Here we are going to print 85 in 60 units as a number size. Okay. Let us see the image how the 85 looks in canvas pan. Here the number will be shown in horizontally on the canvas. Okay. Let us see the another example for font size and print command. Here first command is reset. A reset is used to clear all the drawings on the canvas and brings the turtle to the center of the canvas. Next, font size 25, so that you can set the text size or number as 25 units. Okay. TR90. The TR90 command turns the turtle 90 degrees towards the right. In this case, the turtle will write the text vertically on the canvas. Okay. Next, print command. If you want to print text, it should be entered using double quotes. Here, amazing turtle will be entered using double quotes. Okay. Let us see the image. Okay. Here you can see the amazing turtle in a vertical position. Okay. Next we are going to see go command. You can even move the turtle to a certain place on the canvas without drawing a line. And then you can do this with the help of the go command. The position of the upper left corner of the canvas is given by 0, 0. The number of steps the turtle will move is calculated from the position. For example, go 50, 50 moves the turtle. It will be counted from the top left corner. Okay, 50 steps to the right and 50 steps down on the canvas. Let us see the example for go command. This is the example of go command. First command is reset. We already know what is the use of the reset command. It used to clear all the drawings on the canvas and brings the turtle back to the center of the canvas. Next, font size 35 units. Okay. Using font size, you can set the size of the text as 35 units. Okay. Next, go command. It gives 30, 20, so that you can move the turtle from the top left corner 30 steps to the right and 20 steps down on the canvas. Okay. Next, print. This turtle is cute. Okay. Then the code writes the text at the position of the turtle horizontally on the canvas. Okay. Let us see the example through the image. See the image. Now the turtle from the top left corner 30 steps to the right and 20 steps down on the canvas, and it writes the text at the position of the turtle horizontally on the canvas. Okay. The text to be shown in the horizontally. Okay. Okay children, do you all understand how to set the font size and print the text or number using go command and print command? Okay children. Thank you.